Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Today, the 9th of June, it's a Friday evening. I've just finished work and yeah, it's not very nice weather. Who knows? We've had this kind of strange weather system thing happening here in the mountains for 3-4 weeks now. You've probably seen that in some of the videos where it's been great in the mornings. Oops, lighting not great. And it's been great in the mornings and it's just gradually turned to the evenings, and today we've just had a day of showers and cloud coming in. What you saw there is cloud. So I'm not too sure, but we're heading. I've been busy at work. We're preparing stuff, preparing everything for the summer season opening, which happens at the beginning of July, the 1st of July. So until then, the first 3 weekends between now, as in tomorrow starting, and the beginning of the opening of the summer season, they're opening the two or three of the uplifts. I'm not too sure, but I'll be doing videos on that in the near future. Tomorrow, Sunday, following weekends, whatever. I'll be down the main station, because most of that happens the weekends. Most of it is down the main station. So tonight I thought I was having a look round my previous stuff, and before I was doing videos on YouTube and stuff, I've always been interested in photography and stuff. I've got loads, thousands of pictures up on my Facebook and stuff, and I was looking through some of the lightning photos that I've got. And what I'll do is I'll put up some of them now on a video here, just like a slideshow, but I'll put a commentary with it. I hope you like it. So there's a few to kick off with. I'm on the other side of the building now, and you can see same situation, water dripping down from the roof and everything. Not a great evening. So an evening in just doing stuff and making this little video. So I will assure you that every single one of these pictures is my work. It's my doing. How I do it is usually I have the camera normally on the tripod and I do a video where I think the next flash will come from, and then when it happens, shut it off and start recording where I think the next one's going to be. And this can take a lot of time up. I've seen me spend 4 or 5 hours just getting 2 flashes. It takes a lot of patience sometimes. Some of them I've rattled them off, bang, 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 they happen quick. It all depends. And some of them I've been out in the car hunting for them. I've done videos on that as well. But that's it. So what I'll do is I'll put a few in here, and it'll include my favourite one, and my favourite one is not what it looks like. There's a little clue to you. Okay, thanks for watching.